Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your user profile photo on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your launcher menu and you want to search for accent color. Best result, you come back of accent color. Go ahead and open that up. Up at the top here, there should be a little pencil icon next to your user profile image. Go ahead and select that. And you can select from a different image that is on the Chromebook device, or you can select the folder icon and choose a custom image that's saved on your computer somewhere. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.